Welcome to your new website and your website control panel. No need to be intimidated. The editor is actually very easy to use, much like a full-featured word processor. If you know how to work with a word processor, you're already most of the way there. You'll also find easy-to-follow video tutorials on many of these features. Now, our sites consist of two basic components: the website itself, which is what the public sees, and the control panel, where you can manage content on your site. We're going to take a look at the basic anatomy of your website. And by the way, it's helpful if you can refer to these items when you're requesting assistance so we can get to the issue more quickly. Now, right here, this is the URL bar or web address bar. It displays the domain name for your site, which is an easy way for people to remember how to reach it. I'm using a generic one right now. The specific layout for your home page will differ depending on the template you're using. The header displays the major details for your site, such as your company name and logo. It also gives your visitors an easy way to share things via these social media icons up here. Over here on the right, you'll see the website menu. This, of course, gives users access to the various pages on your site with just one click. Below that, you'll find the header image area. Depending on your design, these can either be static or rotating, and you can see that this one rotates through different images over time. If you're a real estate agent, you might have a quick search bar like this one. By the way, the quick search bar and header images are part of the template and can only be changed by our art department. Down a little further, you'll find the content area, and this is the area of your website where you can add or change text, insert images, etc. using your control panel. Down here at the bottom of the page, you'll see what we call the footer. This often contains your contact information, and you'll also find one of the most important elements you'll be using, and that's the gold padlock that gives you access to your control panel when you click on it. You should have your login information handy. We sent out your original username and password when your site was created, but you may very well have changed it on your own, and if you need assistance, you can contact Cevado support. As you'll see, I have my control panel open already. Once you've logged in, you'll note the menu bar runs vertically here on the left side. One of the most valuable areas of your control panel is located behind the Help and Support button. Here you're going to find over 40 helpful, easy-to-follow, step-by-step video tutorials that cover the gamut from working with text, inserting images, to more advanced options like inserting YouTube videos and linking to external sites. I'd suggest starting by clicking on View Website. This will open the site on an adjacent tab in your browser, and it'll make it easy to make changes on the Control Panel tab and then view them after refreshing on the Website tab. In the Edit Site area, you'll be finding the tools you'll be using most of the time. Now, right up here, Website Menu gives you access to managing and organizing the links and pages on your menu bar. They work on a simple click and drag basis. You'll find a specific video tutorial on exactly how to use this tool in the library. Standard Pages is where you'll find the majority of the pages on your site and where you can make changes to the content area on these pages. If you click on the page title, it'll open that page as it actually appears on your website. So you want to go over here and click on Edit Page, and that will allow you to actually make changes to the content on your site. Again, you'll find video tutorials that'll take you through the various aspects of making these changes. There are a couple of optional modules that may or may not show up on your menu bar. Blog, which makes it easy to create, maintain, and share your blogs, and makes it all a breeze. Also, we have Photo Gallery, where you can create professional-looking photo gallery pages and slideshows. You can contact us if you'd like to have these activated for your site. Online Forms is a useful tool for creating forms that your users can fill out for various purposes, whether it be initiating contact or requesting more information. These contacts can be emailed to you, but they're also available as stored posts in this module. Special Pages gives you the opportunity to create a menu item on your site that links to a page on an external website, such as a community's resource guide or property searches for real estate agents. Frame Page frames the external website in your site's template, but some sites don't allow this, so you should be sure to check your results. Otherwise, you can use External Link. Here we've got the Staff module. This allows you to set up a gallery page that contains introductory comments, images, and brief information about the people you work with, plus individual bio pages when you click on that individual. Social Media is a great feature. It gives you an easy way to manage the various social media contacts you have available. These are the linked icons that appear in the header of your site, which we saw earlier. Depending on the website package you're using, you may have other modules available in the Edit Site area. Here in the settings area, the site design feature is a leftover from some of our legacy sites where the content in the footer is available for changing. However, the majority of our new sites have the footer embedded in the template of the site, which makes it something we would need to modify in our art and production department. You can contact us for details. Site Keywords gives you access to setting up the title and keywords for your site. The title appears in the top tab. The keywords assist in search engine optimization. The other modules you see here are designed to manage the finer aspects of your site, such as securing a domain name if you don't already have one. You can also set up Google Analytics to track your visitors to your site using Google's tracking system. And also down here you can change your username and password. That covers the basics of how to manage your website. Remember, to help you get started on the right foot and support you throughout your efforts, the support video tutorials are your best friends. You'll find a support video to help you on just about any topic.